Alright guys, first off, I wanted to say sorry for not making a video. I just wanted to post this. I am playing FIFA 15. I have just bought 1,575 FIFA points. Now we are going to open some packs. So I'm going to start with the gold pack, premium gold. FIFA points, 150, alright? Are you serious? Come on. Huh. That's alright. Not amazing. Could start. Yeah, I'll do this one. Come on. Rare card, please. I want a rare. Let's just check just in case. I draw the club. So not a great start yet. Oh, well, that's stupid. Well, I guess I only have one chance to do that. So I'll open this one again and then do one on the other one. Ah, 79 is frustrating. You know, and I'll probably do one more pack after. Alright, I'll do 150. Yes! Okay, I'm pretty happy about that. We got an 82 rating. So, you know what? I'll do one more. I'll make that too. Alright, last pack, guys. I know I have some more points, but last pack. Come on. Come on. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. You know what? Why did I even say that? I'll do one more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please, I want a rare. I guess an 83 rare gold is okay. Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed pack opening up FIFA 15. I'll probably have a video up like once every week now. I'm not doing it once a day anymore. So thanks for watching and goodbye.